Getting banned on Udemy. Nobody wants that. But what actually happens when you violate Udemy's rules? Let's find out. So before we're gonna get into actually talking about the Udemy bans, no, I am not banned on Udemy. I'm actually still banned on Skillshare. There's actually been some movements there, but still banned on Skillshare. But I'm not banned on Udemy. I'm just making this video for you in order to understand Udemy violation system the same way that I did with the Skillshare. Udemy has the strike system like Skillshare does, and in this video I'm gonna be explaining to you what will happen when you violate the Udemy rules or guidelines. So let's just get into it. Before we're gonna jump into Udemy violation policies, I would like to remind you that Udemy Heroes Facebook group is open and you can join there with your fellow instructors where we talk everything about Udemy and being an online instructor. The link will be in the description down below. Don't forget to join up there. Okay, Udemy strike system, or what Udemy calls escalation process of policy violation. That's a weirdly legal name, and that's probably the reason why I wanted to talk about this, because I'm a lawyer. So okay, Udemy violation systems. If you violate any of the Udemy rules, this escalation process of policy violations will be used against you, and here are the things that will happen if you will start violating Udemy's rules. Before we're gonna get there, I'm gonna be including links to Udemy's terms and rules. You can go and follow there. And to be fair, to sum it up, what you don't need to do on Udemy, the only violations on the Udemy that you will do is if you, for example, if you inflate the reviews, if you fraudulently purchase your own courses, if you fraudulently distribute your courses or something like that, anything that will violate the rules. Udemy is pretty difficult to violate the rules on, unlike the Skillshare or any other platforms, because they are very vigilant. Their systems working pretty fine. But just in case you will violate the rules, this is what will happen. So if you violate the rule for the first time, Udemy is pretty cool with that, and they will give you the warning. They will say that, okay, don't do this anymore because we are watching you, which is pretty good thing to have, because not all of us are sitting down and reading the terms and rules for every single service that we use, and Udemy perfectly understands that. And for that reason, the first violation that you will do, they are gonna issue a warning for you. But if you are stubborn dude and if you are still decided to violate your rules, then you are going to get with the 3-strike system. Each one of the strikes is taking away some features of the Udemy, and here are I'm gonna read whatever is happening on each strike. So strike 1 is suspension of announcement and direct messaging privileges for a month. Strike 2 is courses blocked from active promotions for a month plus suspension of announcement and direct messaging privileges for a month. Strike 3 is courses blocked from new enrollments for a month and suspension of announcements and direct messaging privileges for a month. So basically whatever you do is they're gonna take away more and more things from you as the strikes continue. Mind that the strike system affects only a course where the violation have been cited. Just know that the new enrollments will be blocked for the course. They specifically say that, and it applies for the course level. However, if you are gonna do this for the separate courses multiple times, they are going to escalate it further. For example, if you do a single strike for a few courses, they are going to still count this as by escalation, and they will use the higher level of punishments against you. So just be very careful. Just don't violate any rules. So what happens if you have the 3 strikes? Well, obviously it's a ban. You're gonna get banned. Your account is going to get banned, and your courses will be banned. All of the courses will be banned from the Udemy. So be very careful with that. And there is one more additional information that I'm gonna read for you. Strikes are reevaluated on a 6-month rolling basis, but those with ongoing history of policy violations will ultimately face removal from the Udemy platform. So they're gonna take away all the strikes on a 6-month basis, but if you'll continue violating the Udemy rules, you are still going to get banned because you will be too much of a headache to handle. And this is perfectly understandable and perfectly correct. Guys, this is how the strike system should work. I know that's probably not perfect, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of mistakes there. All the platforms are making the mistakes, but Skillshare, learn from this. This is how strike system should work. Not like, oh, I don't like you 3 times and I'm just gonna ban you forever. So my friends, this is the policy violations, about escalation process of the policy violations for Udemy. Just know that don't try to lie to Udemy, don't try to fool Udemy. They understand everything pretty well. They are controlling every single thing that is happening on their website. Their systems are pretty sophisticated and pretty developed. I know that you will think that you can still lie on something and you can still sneak into and earn more money than you deserve. deserve, but don't do this. Eventually you're gonna get caught and you're gonna get banned and you're gonna lose every single thing that you have been doing on Udemy, and every single bit of progress that you did there you may lose. So just don't violate the rules. This is my advice to you. Well, this was a short video. I just wanted to talk about this because I feel like this is important things to know for every instructor, because for some reason every instructor thinks that they are invincible and all the rules that is happening, all the rule violations is happening with someone else but not with them. But guys, everybody can get banned for reason or for not. Just you should be very careful and very mindful on every single thing that you do, and do not make the same mistakes that I did with the Skillshare. I don't know if there were mistakes, because I'm pretty sure I was not deserving to get banned, but still. Well, this will be it for today. Thank you for being here with me. Like the video if you like it, subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya.